event, we thought that we will just reduce the timing. So still I feel that since you people are enjoying, I would still believe that कि अगर और टाइम मिला होता आप लोगों को और मजा आएंगे जोर से hip hip! Hip hip! I love you all. Shabash, very good. Love you all.